Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: MySQL server running, Workbench accessible, and Python 3. 8+ installed. Once those are present, create and activate a virtualenv to keep packages isolated. Then install a MySQL client library. I prefer MySQL connector Python for straightforward authentication, or PyMySQL when you need SQL Alchemy compatibility. Make sure you know the DB user, password, host, and port. Once done, open Jupyter Notebook in that same environment so packages are available to your kernels. You now create a notebook cell that imports the connector and builds a connection object. For MySQL connector, import MySQL. Connector and MySQL. Connector. Connect, host equals localhost, user equals user, password equals PW, database equals DB. Alternatively, create an SQL Alchemy engine. Create engine, MySQL plus PyMySQL, // user, PW at host, 3306/DB. Once the engine exists, use pandas. Read SQL query or connection. Cursor to run queries. Run a light. You finish by handling results and closing resources. Fetch rows into a pandas data frame with pandas. Read SQL query, SQL, con for analysis, then close the connection or dispose the engine to avoid leaked sockets. Make sure transaction settings and auto-commit are appropriate for your rights. If you encounter connection refused or authentication errors, check that MySQL is listening on the expected host/port. Confirm bind address and firewall rules, and ensure the DB user is allowed to connect from your client host. Adjust grants.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.